So sons grow up, they define their manhood with their driver's license. As soon as you reach a certain age, you must be a man. And they go, okay, I guess I'm a man. Just time passes. That's their initiation. And then they get in a relationship with a woman. And they're not prepared. And they get chewed up. They get beaten up, they get hurt, they get used. They may abuse women. Because they don't know who women are really. Because they don't know who they are as men. It's men's job to protect and defend women. You can't say that. That's misogynist. I'm saying it. Do our sons know that? Good. Good.